Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we turn quirks into perks. And today we are going to be talking about the lucrative world of selling feet pics. You heard that right, so strap on your sexiest shoes and stride on down because we are getting started. Let's get ready to make bank with feet pics, and do not forget to smash that subscribe button. First up, what's the deal with selling feet pics? Well, it's 2024, so this isn't just a side hustle anymore. You can do this as a full-time job. Platforms like FeetFinder have turned this niche into passion and a powerhouse paycheck for you guys who do sell the content. So we have different types of feet out there. Whether you have Cinderella feet or Hobbit toes, there is something out there for you to participate in on FeetFinder.com. So let's talk about setting up your profile and the sellable pics. Let's talk turkey, or should I say toes? How much can you actually earn on FeetFinder.com? And that is a good question because connoisseurs pay anywhere from $5 to a whopping $50 per photo of your feet. And they also have subscriptions that are monthly. So that is also another way for them to give you the moolah. So these will make profit and you should be ready to turn your tootsies into treasures. Now let's find out how. So having pretty feet is not the main thing in this. Basically, engagement is key, you guys. You are going to want to build a bond with your community because they're going to feel like they can actually come to you for custom content or things that they personally want. And it can really boost your footprint. Pun intended. Actually, start with a warm welcome message because you want those people to feel like you genuinely are there for their services. Also, post teasers and always respond with flair. Remember, another good message is always another step closer to a sale. Get those creative juices flowing or polishes because showcasing your feet in various settings is going to be a huge eye catcher. So you can do cozy bedtime pictures or sandy beach pictures. It all ranges and things that you feel comfortable doing and you want to showcase to your audience. But whatever it's going to be, make sure your portfolio is divine and diverse as it is delightful. And there you have it, a peep into the profitable world of FeetFinder and selling your feet pictures. Also, whether you're just dipping your toes in or you're ready to dive feet first, this is the place for you because you're going to learn more tricks, tips, all the fun things. Also, remember to tickle that subscribe button, like this, and leave us a comment below. And we will see you on the flip side where your feet pictures might just lead to fortune.